Campfire by Stag Tobacconist. This is in English, and I've had it for a few months now. It sounds crispy in the back, so it's probably dried out, but should still be good. Stag Tobacconist is our local pipe and cigar shop in Scottsdale, Arizona, and they are also the tobacco shop that makes the Las Vegas pipe show blend with Cornell and Deal. We will be smoking it out of our Norton company. So let's see how it smells. Okay, through the plastic, I got a lot of tobaccos in my humidor because I store these baggies in the humidor. I don't even bother putting them in jars. So through the plastic, it smells like potpourri and like smoke. Campfire, I'm assuming is going to taste like a campfire, right? It's got the only tobacco that I would know that's in here is Latakia because it's in English. Okay, smelling the actual tobacco. It's very smoky. It's got like a sour smell to it. It doesn't really smell like an English. Well, you kind of get that pungent smell out of it, like I relate it to dirty feet, but you got to be sniffing it pretty hard. So this is very, very dry. And if I remember right, it was dry when I bought it, so. I also remember when I was buying this, he said this is more of the mild. I did another Stag a few days ago, and it was their strong English blend. This is their mild English blend. All right, let's get it loaded on up. And Campfire, it's got to have like dark fired something in there, right? So this is probably going to burn really fast because I'm telling you, this stuff is dry. I mean dry, like it's crunching. So this might be a short video because I can't imagine this is going to burn long, but we'll see. Their other tobaccos that I've smoked are pretty good, so. And I don't know who they blend with, but they do the pipe show with Cornell and Dill, so these might be, I don't know for sure, they might be Cornell and Dill tobaccos. All right, on the dry draw, you do get kind of a sour note. And smoky, I would say it's smoky. All right, let's get it lit on up. All right, the initial light, it smelled really good. It's kind of leaving a tangy, soury taste on your tongue. It's got a spicy retrohale. At this point, it is rather mild. I want to say it's kind of got like a graham cracker taste to it. And like a lot of spices, not like spicy, not like pepper, but like a mix of spices. And this is burning very, very quick. So I just lit this, and after tamping it, it's like a quarter way down already. I think it smells good. I think this might be a pleasant English. It does have like a spice that runs down your entire tongue. It's not tongue bite. It's like a very spicy spiciness that runs down your entire tongue. You do get, when you're puffing and breathing out of your nose, you get pencils. It's a bit creamy. All right, the longer you let the smoke like sit in your mouth, the spicier it is. And it's very faint, but you do get a smokiness, like I don't know if I would really call it a campfire, but you do get a smokiness out of there. The pencils really come through when there's not a lot of smoke. So I'm thinking this might be almost out, and it really tastes like pencils. All right, let's get this book started. All right, today we're doing Stag Tobacconist, and we are doing Campfire. I don't know what the tobaccos are in here, but for sure there's Latakia. There shouldn't be any flavorings. It's ribbon. So the tin notes are like, it's for sure smoky. It's sour. It's got like a sour smell coming out of there. Dirty feet, but not like really strong. Taste strength, I think it's mild. I don't know, Nick. I think the room note would be pleasant. Yeah, I don't think it would be bad. Moisture is very dry. It's in a baggie. Using my Norden compass, and we will get to the tasting in a minute. Yeah, so I'm tamping it, it's out, and I'm halfway. And we've probably been doing this like 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. All right, on the relight, definitely pencils. It's a little earthy. You get some type of wood in there. It's not as spicy anymore. The sourness is kind of gone. Yeah, mostly pencils now. And it smells more like a campfire now. Yeah, I'm getting some type of wood off of here. Okay, we're gonna, because I think it's burning very, very quickly, so we're gonna start doing this tasting so that we can get to the bottom if we miss anything. All right, so pencils for sure. So pencil shavings. In the beginning it was sour. There was a little bit of graham crackers that I was tasting. I'm getting some type of wood. It's creamy. It's mostly pencils right now. There is a tiny bit of spice, but it's not very spicy anymore. But it was spicy in the beginning. Yeah, like there's no bite, by the way. Yeah, I don't really get any spice anymore. Maybe just a tiny, tiny bit. But the spice in the beginning was like your entire tongue. It is smoky. And when it's almost out, it's very earthy. Like there's not really, I think it might be out. And it's like earthy, like dirt and wood. All right, if we get anything else, we will put it on in there. Yeah, I think it's out. I think we're at the bottom, I mean. All right, so we're gonna clean this out. So it's very, very dry. So, and I think when I bought this, it was dry. So this is gonna be a fast burning tobacco. Yeah, there's nothing left. It's all ash. Like it's down to the very bottom. All right, so today we did Stag Tobacconist Campfire. This is in English. And we smoked it out of our Norden compass. And I would give this a 3 out of 5. So it's very, very dry. So burns really fast. And it was dry when I bought it. So I don't know if it's supposed to be a dry blend or not, but there's no moisture to this. So it's a very quick burning tobacco, but it's in English. If you like smoky, creamy Englishes that's got that pencil shavings, it's a bit earthy. It's mostly a creamy, smoky, spicy in the beginning, pencil-y English. So if you like those, there was a sourness coming off of it in the beginning also. This would be the blend for you. It's very, very mild. But I mean, I think everybody should try every tobacco. So if you're ever in Arizona, Stag Tobacconist is in Scottsdale. You should go check them out. They have a ton of cigars. They got a pretty good selection of pipes and pipe tobacco. So go check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and
bye.